Hello, I'm Dr. Joseph Jackson, a pediatrician here at Duke Health. It is my privilege to serve as a general pediatrician in the Division of General Pediatrics and Adolescent Health, and I also serve as Associate Dean for Student Affairs at the Duke University School of Medicine. I'll start seeing patients really from 0 all the way up until about 25 years of age, seeing patients for well visits as well as for both acute and chronic healthcare needs. As a general pediatrician, it's really a privilege to care for whomever walks through the door. With that said, I do think that there are a number of populations that over the years I've had more opportunities to care for. And I think certainly multiples it has been an area of interest. I am a father of multiples, and it just has turned out that over the years I've managed to have the opportunity to care for a number of multiples who've come through the clinic. In addition, oftentimes there are individuals who identify as persons of color and individuals who come from marginalized backgrounds. And I also do see it as a privilege to be able to provide care for those families as well. When I'm with my patients and with families, sometimes it's in just the simple moments of the day where I find some of the biggest delights. So being able to come alongside families who feel stressed and anxious and are worried about the things that are happening with their little ones, to be able to meet them in those moments, to convey some knowledge to them and to come up with the plans that help them in the midst of those circumstances, I find that very rewarding. So it almost feels like being on the front line of a game that's playing out. And so you get a front-hand view of the highs of life, the things that are going great, that are going wonderful, but also the lows, the moments of challenge, the moments that are dark and difficult. And to be able to do some hand-holding and to really come alongside families in both of those moments, I really can't think of any joys that can be greater than that. I do consider myself a family man. I do have 6 children and am married to my wife and best friend. And together we love to spend time watching movies, playing soccer in the backyard, and making music together.